Hi everyone, today I'll be showing you my SF-2 intruder alarm circuit. Here's my high school ID. So basically, when I start the simulation, so right now it's dark, so nothing's going on. But when the photoresistor senses light, the alarm goes on. And then when I hit the reset button, it stops. And it takes 5 seconds to reset. And then after 5 seconds, I can turn it on back again. And we'll keep going until I hit the reset button, which I will do now. Yes, so that's my code and my diagram. Thank you.